In this video, we will see how to download and install MongoDB on Windows. In Google, search for MongoDB download. Here you can see MongoDB official website, MongoDB community server download. Click on it. You will end up in MongoDB Compass page. If you scroll down, you can see version, platform and package to select. Version, I'm keeping it as latest version. Platform Windows 64 and package MSI. Click on download. Once it is downloaded, double click on installation file. Click on next. Accept terms in the license agreement. Click next. Here I'm going with complete installation. If you have any specific requirement, you can go with custom. Click on complete. Here select run service as network service user. I'm keeping rest of all as default. Here I'm checking install MongoDB Compass as well. It is a GUI for MongoDB. Click on next and install. It may ask for admin credential. Please provide it. Once it is installed, you can see MongoDB Compass pop up. Click on finish. Close the MongoDB Compass. Now we will configure MongoDB in environment variable. Go to C drive, program files, MongoDB server and 8.0 version. It may be different if you downloaded different version. Open bin and copy the path. In Windows, search for environment variable. Click on environment variables. Go to path. In path, you need to give the copied MongoDB installation path and paste it here and click OK. Now we have set the environment variable for MongoDB. Now we can test by using command prompt. Open command prompt in the Windows and type MongoDB -- version. If you click enter, it should show MongoDB version which we installed. Yes, now we are seeing MongoDB version 8.0.12 which we downloaded and installed. Open MongoDB Compass. By default, MongoDB will run on localhost 27017 port. Click connect. Once you click connect, you can see default DBs which MongoDB has been created. That's it for this video. If you have any doubts or if you face any problems, comment below. Thank you for watching.